let's begin. Hey yogis, welcome back to Yoga University. I'm here with my buddy Nala, and we've got today's edition of How Yoga Works. Today we're talking about the vagus nerve, so this giant nerve that runs from the base of the brain all the way down and touches a lot of your lower abdomen and lower organs in the body. So why is this nerve so important? It actually controls almost all of your parasympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system is the opposite of your sympathetic nervous system, which is the fight or flight, more active, go, go, go side of the body. Parasympathetic is the more calming, feminine, restorative. It kicks in when you go to sleep and restores all the organs. It's that slower breath, slower heart rate. So that vagus nerve needs to be operating to even enable the parasympathetic nervous system. And there's so many ways in yoga in which this vagus nerve can be stimulated and kicked into gear that turns that parasympathetic nervous system on. Some of these examples would be just by breathing. You know, we're told to take these giant inhales and giant exhales, deep breaths when you're feeling anxious or nervous. So when you do that, you actually expand the ribs and the diaphragm drops down and it actually hits that vagus nerve and stimulates it. And so just by breathing, you're already stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is crazy. Another thing about the vagus nerve is that it is activated by muscle relaxation. And so some of these poses where your head is down, like a forward fold or child's pose, when you start to soften the muscles around the vagus nerve, it can turn on as well. So additionally, this vagus nerve influences a lot of other parts of the body, not just in the direct line that it takes in your actual physical body, but areas like the inside of your ears, and we have this mucous membrane in the lungs and the heart and the esophagus and the kidneys and the intestine and the stomach, and it's all influenced by this nerve, which is crazy to think about. It even affects the heart and your entire digestive system. So it's a really important component. And so by taking those deep breaths, feeling the body expand, you're putting pressure on that nerve. And by doing some of these poses where your head is down, and you're starting to let some of the muscles relax, can also stimulate the nerve. So there you go. Good to know. That is our edition of How Yoga Works today, and we will see you next time on Yoga University. Namaste.